Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2013 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Your new ride is just a phone call away.